What's the WeTransfer app and how to use it? WeTransfer is an online file sharing service that allows users to send large files to others. While there is a web-based version, there is also a mobile application available for both Android and iOS platforms. Below is a general guide on how to use the WeTransfer app, using the WeTransfer mobile app *1. Download and install *. Go to the Google Play Store, for Android, or the Apple App Store, for iOS. Search for WeTransfer and download the official WeTransfer app. Install the app on your device. 2. Open the app *. Launch the WeTransfer app on your mobile device. 3. Upload files *. Tap on the plus button or the Add Your Files option to select the files you want to send. You can choose files from your device, camera roll, or other sources. 4. Enter recipient's email *. After selecting your files, enter the email address of the person you want to send the files to. You can add multiple recipients if needed. 5. Your email, optional. Optionally, you can provide your email address if you want to receive a confirmation when the files are downloaded. 6. Add message, optional. You can include a message to the recipient if you want to provide additional information. 7. Transfer *. Tap on the transfer button to initiate the file upload. The app will upload the files to the WeTransfer servers and generate a download link. 8. Share the download link *. Once the upload is complete, the app will provide a link. You can share this link with the recipient through email, messaging apps, or any other communication method. 9. Notification, optional. If you provided your email address, you will receive a notification when the recipient has downloaded the files. Remember that WeTransfer is designed for sharing large files, and the files are usually available for download for a limited period. Free users have certain limitations, but you can upgrade to a paid account for additional features and larger file sizes. Keep in mind that the steps might vary slightly based on the app version, so it's always a good idea to check the app's user interface for any updates or changes.